The 2011 Hyundai Tucson. Boasting low noise and vibration levels and a smooth ride, the Tucson combines the rugged utility of an SUV with the maneuverability and refinement of a car. With its spacious interior, small never felt so big, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, four-wheel ABS, front air conditioning, keyless entry, cruise control, Bluetooth, AM/FM stereo with CD player, iPod adapter, climate control, rear window defrost. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.